Welcome to this quick guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to find the Health Hub by Ear Wax Irrigation, a trusted online resource designed to connect you with safe, effective ear care and related health services. The Health Hub is your go-to place if you're looking for information about earwax removal, irrigation procedures, or clinics that provide professional hearing care. Instead of browsing multiple sites or relying on scattered information, this hub brings everything together in one organized platform. So how can you find it quickly? The first step is to go to the official Earwax Irrigation website. On the home page, you'll see a section clearly marked Health Hub. Clicking that link will give you direct access to a full range of resources. The second way is through newsletters and email updates. Earwax Irrigation often shares direct links to the Health Hub, making it fast and easy to access without searching. The third quick method is by following their official social media pages. Regular posts include announcements and links that point directly to the Health Hub, so you can reach it with a single tap. Once inside, you'll find helpful articles, clinic directories, service listings, and even step-by-step guides on safe ear care. Whether you're booking an appointment, learning about the benefits of irrigation, or exploring professional recommendations, everything is kept clear and user-friendly. The best part is that the Health Hub is regularly updated, so you'll always find the latest and most reliable information available. To recap, you can find the Health Hub by visiting the official website, checking newsletters, and staying connected on social media. It's that simple, fast, and reliable. That's your quick guide to finding the Health Hub by Earwax Irrigation.